Slice the atsuage into large pieces. Slice the konnyaku into 1 cm blocks. Slice the chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces. In a pan, combine the red miso, white miso, sugar, mirin, and sake. Turn on the heat to low, then mix until thick. Add 1 piece of egg yolk, then mix well. Remove from heat, then transfer to a heat-proof bowl. Boil the konnyaku slices in water to remove smell. In a nabe pot, add water and konbu, then bring to a boil. Place the miso sauce at the center, then arrange the rest of the ingredients around it. Simmer until the chicken thighs are cooked. Remove any scum that may form upon cooking. Serve and dip the ingredients to the miso sauce to enjoy.